Good morning, universe! Today is the first day of rehearsals. We're about to start. Today is the first day that we get to know what the show is going to be like.
Ngayon ang ika-day 11 ng Miss Universe 2024 competition at ngayong araw din ang first day na sasabak na ang mga kandidata sa kanilang pasabog na rehearsal. Ipinasilip pa ang venue kung saan nagaganap ang kanilang rehearsal today. Ipinasilip din ang stage kung saan gaganapin ang kanilang pagrampa na exactly the same stage daw sa CDMX Arena kung saan magaganap ang preliminary at coronation.
Good morning, universe! Today is the first day of rehearsals. We're about to start. Today is the first day that we get to know what the show is going to be like, the opening scene, the dances, everything. Okay, I have to go because they're calling us, but I'll keep you updated.
Base rito, makikita na medyo masikip ang stage para sa 129 candidates. At makikitang masikip din ang mismong venue ng kanilang rehearsal. To think na napakadami nila, 129 candidates.
I want to show you guys the stage we're going to practice at. We basically have the Miss Universe stage here, and this is what we're going to rehearse in. So it's pretty accurate to how the real stage will look like.
Ayon sa schedule ng rehearsals ng mga kandidata, buong araw daw ang kanilang rehearsals. Sa rehearsals daw today ay ipapractice nila ang kanilang dance number. Yes, magkakaroon daw sila ng pasabog na dance number. I-rehearse din daw nila today ang routine kung paano ang pagpasok at pag-exit nila sa stage.
Okay, so I think for today's rehearsal, we're just going to go over probably the dance number, or yeah, and then also just like the routine of how we come out, how we leave. I'm excited, honestly.
As usual, naka-all black outfit na naman ulit today si Chelsea Manalo sa kanilang first day of rehearsal. Suot nito ang kanyang black loose blouse, black pants, black boots, smoky eyes, naka-braided naman ang hairstyle nito today. Okay, here's my thoughts about her rehearsal outfit today. Napansin ko favorite talaga ni Chelsea Manalo ang black. I understand this is just a rehearsal, but that does not mean you won't have to be a stunner, right? Just like what Nicki Minaj says, why be simple when you can be stunning?
But it's, I mean, who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
I mean, this is Miss Universe competition. You have to be the best of the best at all times. So I don't know, this outfit is not giving. I mean, I know this is just a rehearsal, but she could have chosen a better color for her rehearsal outfit to make her look even more powerful and a stunner and not just blend in with the shadow given the fact that she has a dark skin tone. You know what I mean? So far, this rehearsal outfit is not giving to me. I'm going to give this a 5 if I were to rate it. Anyway, naka-black naman today si Victoria Vincent Velasquez. Suot nito ang kanyang black fitted sportswear. Naka-nude color ang heels nito. For her hairstyle naman, naka-bun ito. Here's naman my thought about her rehearsal outfit today. Well, although we can all see she's wearing black, but I like it because it's fitted. Kitang-kita yung shape ng body niya. I mean, wearing black fitted outfit that accentuates the perfect shape of your body is giving, girl. So if I were to rate her rehearsal outfit today, this is a solid 8. Pasabog naman na talagang agaw eksena ang rehearsal outfit today ni Opal Sachata, Miss Thailand. Suot nito ang kanyang kabugerang red coat na talaga namang agaw sa atensyon. Suot din ito ang kanyang black inner top. Combinations of black, red, and white naman ang kanyang suot na pants, which makes sense with her black top and red coat and white sash. O diba, pasabog, pinag-isipan talaga ng todo yung pasabog na styling ni today. Sa hairstyle naman, naka-ponytail naman ang atake nito. Okay, here's my thoughts about her rehearsal outfit. I like this one. I like the fact that Thailand is very consistent with her pasabog outfit day by day. I know a lot of you would say this na, rehearsals lang naman yan. Di naman kailangan bongga. No, darling. You're wrong. This is Miss Universe competition. You have to look your best at all times. And kudos to Thailand kasi she's really in it. Wala siyang pinalalagpas na araw na hindi siya mapansin at mag-stand out talaga given na napakaraming mga magagandang kandidata. She's giving her all day by day, which is great because kailan ka magpa-perform kapag grand finals na? Bakit sigurado ka ba makakapasok ka sa grand finals? Kaya chill-chill lang muna, ganun. Matagal ng laos ang know when to pick ek or reserve your energy. Hindi na ubra yan sa 2024 given the fact na maraming competitive na mga kandidata ngayon. So this one, I'm gonna give it to Thailand. If I were to rate her rehearsal outfit today, this is a solid 9.5 for me. Samantala, nagbago na raw ang isip ng Miss Universe organization tungkol sa pagtatanggal nila ng evening gown sa preliminary. Nakarating daw sa kanila ang reklamo ng mga pageant fans tungkol dito kaya kinumpirma nila ngayong araw sa first day of rehearsal na tuloy na raw ang evening gown competition sa preliminary. Magpapatalbugan na raw ang mga kandidata ng kanilang pasabog na evening gowns sa preliminary competition sa darating na November 14. Ayan, so confirmed, magkakaroon na raw ng evening gown competition sa preliminary this coming November 14. Ayan, anong say mo dito? Do you agree with my thoughts about Chelsea, Victoria Vincent Velasquez, and Thailand's outfits? What do you think?